Okay, I don't have a chalkboard like Glenn Beck, but just stick with me a minute. Why were Kimi Räikkönen's agents so adamant about the Formula One world champion starting his first race at Charlotte? I'm Michelle Rahal with Motorsports Unplugged and MotorsportsUnplugged.com's NASCAR edition. My opinion coming up. Who floated the Foster Gillette story and Räikkönen around so much? Nobody can really say, or they won't say, but it was never the case. He was never in the picture. Well, whoever that person was, they had all of us in the media screeching like somebody strangling a cat. Think about this. Busch hasn't even spoken to Räikkönen. The agents put the deal together. Räikkönen doesn't need the money, and I've said it before. On his severance pay from Ferrari, he could field 10 truck teams. So he doesn't pay to race, they pay him. But who? The news alone that Räikkönen showing up to run in NASCAR was news by itself. But throw out a Foster Gillette red herring, then follow it up with the big surprise that Busch is going to field another truck with Räikkönen in it without Gillette involved, and he never was. And then the first race has to be Charlotte. Who is the Grand Master of promotion? Who hires track presidents with a passion for promotion? Who kicks the NASCAR hornet's nest every time he gets a chance in order to draw attention to his tracks? Bruton Smith. I can't prove it and I don't have to. It's just my opinion, but just ponder on it for a minute. News on it is huge in Europe. It's in the New York Times. We're all talking about it. So let's see. If, and that's a big if, somebody with the money of a Bruton Smith were to slip an incentive over to Räikkönen's agents, then have one of the highest paid racing drivers in the world to show up and race, the ride is essentially paid for. With a few sponsors from Räikkönen, who benefits from it? Charlotte Motor Speedway and Bruton Smith. Hey, I'm just throwing it out there. P. Diddy said it best. It's all about the Benjamins, baby. I'm Michelle Rahal with Motorsports Unplugged and MotorsportsUnplugged.com.